What up, YouTube? This is July 6th edition of Motown Mail. Two things today, both TTM, so the TTM drought is finally over. First off, I want to say rest in peace, Steve McNair. I actually received that as a TTM success back in 2002 from his home address. But rest in peace, Mr. Air McNair. First off, I got a failure from Sandy Koufax. I sent it to the TPC River Highlands. It was a golf tournament going on, and he was in the Pro-Am, but sure enough, it was refused, but it was worth a shot, so what can you do? He's probably one of the most elusive living Hall of Famers out there, so whatever. It was worth the 44-cent chance. First TTM coming from West Palm Beach, Florida. The side of this TTM is pretty mangled. Hopefully the cards have survived. It did. It's Kurt Smith. Signed a pair of cards. He was the Appalachian League MVP. Yeah, 2008 Appalachian League Player of the Year. Hit .378 last year, so that's pretty cool from the Cardinals prospect. Next one is coming from... I'm not sure. It's hard to read. But it is going to be a return from one of the top prospects in the Angels organization, Jordan Walden. I actually met him when he was in Single A. He was a real cool dude, signed a bunch of cards for me. But he had a couple more cards come out since I met him, and thought I might as well get him signed. So for 88 cents, got 2 autograph cards, projections, as well as a 2009 Bowman Chrome Rookie. So I guess that is it. Yes, it is. So I got for now, guys. Oh yeah, check out 23 Laparo. It's Tony. He's back. No, yeah, another screen name. So check out 23 Loparo. 23 L-O-P-A-R-O. So I got for now, guys. I want to thank you all for watching, and as always, stay safe.